Hello stock stalkers, welcome back to my channel. If you are planning to invest or trade in Dubai stock market, you are at the right place. Do not forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I post such videos. If you are a subscriber already, welcome back to the channel. Let's first analyze Dubai stock market index. This is the daily chart as you are seeing. I had mentioned in my previous analysis 2880 is a strong resistance area. Why is this a strong resistance area? We will go deeper into it, but let's understand this pattern first. Market was pushing to the upside, it got rejected. Again it tried for the second time, again it got rejected. As of now market is in a retracement mode. Now let me move up to weekly chart to explain you why this happened and where potentially market can go. This is the weekly chart of Dubai Financial Market Index, and this was the previous swing. Right from this level market got rejected and it started to plummet to the downside. This is the support area. Again, when the market comes at the same area, definitely we can expect a reaction. This is the same area where it made a strong move to the downside. So definitely we are expecting some move or reaction at the same level again. So, is the market in a downtrend as of now? Clearly no, we are still in an uptrend. I will move down to daily now so that we can analyze further. We are again on daily chart as of now. With Thursday's closing, I am not very confident. Market is not looking very good for now. We all know that 2840 was acting as a support. Clearly this was the previous resistance area. When it broke to the upside, the same level is now acting as a support. Now support once broken will now act as a resistance. So this green candle, although it's green, but it's clearly very bearish. Why do I say this? We can see wick at the top indicating sellers are trying to push the market to the downside. Now very important thing is, where is the market heading to? How do we plan our trades? Sorry for this. Okay. So first important support area is right here, that is around 2800. That is important psychological support area. I hope this area holds. If it does not, market will straight away come down to 2730. That is somewhere around here. This is a strong support again, and I'm sure market will react at least at these levels. Let's see how the market performs next week. Let's check out some stocks now. Emaar Properties. This stock is very strong fundamentally and technically as well. First thing first, trend is to the upside. I had mentioned in my previous analysis, Emaar Properties is forming a bullish chart pattern or a continuation pattern that is ascending triangle pattern. This was the triangle pattern it was trading in, and it broke to the upside, crossing the previous resistance. Now the same resistance will now potentially act as a support. Exactly at the support level we are seeing a doji candle. Doji means indecisiveness in the market. So how do we enter the trade? Let me remove the drawing. Okay, what we want to see is a green color candle right next to it so that we can confirm support is holding and buyers are activated at these levels. Now this is scenario number 1, that you want to see a green candle. Scenario number 2 can be tomorrow when it crosses 4.19, you can enter the trade. Your next target, your first target will be the previous swing high, that is around 4.28. But I'm sure this time when Emaar bounces from the support level, this will go much higher. Next target is around 4.80. Emaar Properties is very bullish, and with Expo 2020 around the corner, more upside is expected. Amanat, a very good stock. We can confirm the trend is to the upside. After making the bullish chart pattern, that is inverted head and shoulder, it broke out to the upside in Thursday's session with this huge green candle. Now, if you have missed this trade, do not rush, wait for a pullback at least till here, that is around 0.977. Let it come back, take a bounce, and you enter the trade. I have entered at around 0.962, that is somewhere around here, this level, and I'm targeting 1.05. A strong resistance is around 1.00. Once it crosses 1.00, comes back for a retest, I think next target is 1.05. I will try and hold till then. Now, most of the stocks in Dubai stock market are in downtrend or are flat. Most likely Amanat should get a good reaction tomorrow, and more buyers will start to buy this one as there is potential to go higher. GFH, a very good stock in a strong uptrend. Let me explain you market psychology and why retail traders are not making money and are in losses 90% of the time. A strong move started after the breakout of this pattern right here. We got this huge move and this is the resistance area. Alright, now a retail trader will never enter at the breakout. He will say no, let it come down. When it comes down at the cheaper rate, I will buy it. Now when the stock market is moving up, let me delete this. He is still confused, should I buy or no? Again moving up, should I buy or no? Again moving up. Now when finally the price is so high, he decides to enter the market right at the top, where all the smart money have already exited and they are taking profits. This is the time when he enters, when the game is over. He is stuck with his money now, and then as you can see, price is coming to the downside. It will come at the support. He will sell at the support, thinking, okay, let it not go further down. If it goes further down, I'll be in a huge loss. Let me exit the trade. He exits right at the support area, and then market reverses. And then people start calling stock market is a scam. You can't make money in the stock market. Brokers are just eating my money. No, in fact, retail traders are wrong 90% of the time. Now again, to enter this trade, there is a good opportunity. After making this recent high, market is now in a correction mode. There are two important support areas. This is the first one right here at around 0.745. If market does not hold here, wait till here, that is around 0.735 to 38. When market comes at these levels, be patient, do not rush. Wait for a green candle that buyers have started to buy the stock and smart money is here. When you see a green candle, again buy. This should be your first target. This is your profit and your stop loss should be very tight, just below the support. This is how you trade and make money in stock markets. DR, it's looking very interesting. This is the cup formation and now it's forming a handle formation. Not to forget, 0.313 is a strong resistance and it's a neckline. Once this neckline is crossed, let me use the marker here. Once this neckline is crossed, it will come back for a retest and the target will be huge. It will be the depth of this cup right here, from here to here. We have to plot the same target above the neckline. So this area is the neckline, that is 0.313, and your target should be here somewhere around 0.367. DR looks interesting, but to activate this pattern it has to cross the neckline, that is 0.313. Just in case if this pattern fails and it crosses below this line, that is the support line of 0.290, this pattern will be invalidated and we will again see a low of 0.260. I hope this scenario does not happen and we see a move to the upside. Union Properties, still in a no trading zone. It's in a kind of a downtrend. We don't want to trade when a stock is in a downtrend. This is a strong support area, that is 0.260. It made a high right from this bounce, went up. This was the resistance around 0.265, and from here it's climbing down. So there is no rush to take the trade. Let it make at least a bullish chart pattern. We see the confirmation and then we trade. As of now, just ignore this one. DFM, it made a good move to the upside from here and then started to retrace. We saw a sideways movement and now slowly and steadily it's been moving to the upside. If you are following me, I had mentioned a trade plan on DFM last week. After it broke the resistance, this was the resistance, this is the green color candle. It made a big move to the upside. So I had mentioned let it come back for a retest. This should be your entry zone and your resistance is right here. You should exit at this level. Clearly we saw a rejection at the same level and now it's coming back at the previous support. A strong support is at 1.12. We can expect some good reaction right at this level. Again, if you are entering at this support area, your target will be the previous swing high, that is around 1.21. Salama, it was in a good uptrend, making higher highs and higher lows. After this gap down as they distributed dividends, it's not been trending. It's just in a range as of now. After it broke out with this green candle, I entered here. Unfortunately, my trade did not work out. I exited this trade with a break even, clearly getting resistance right here, and now it's trying to go back at the previous support area. We can expect to see a reaction at these levels, that is 0.818 number 1, and the strong support area is right here at around 0.80. Let's see how it performs. As of now, it's in a no trading zone. Damac Properties, This stock was very good. It was traded in good volumes, in an uptrend as well, but after they made an announcement that it was going private, investors and traders got confused. They didn't know what to do about it. Still, there are many people holding Damac Properties expecting it to move upside, but as of now we are waiting for clarification. We don't know any news yet. We don't know what's happening inside. So let's wait for some clarification, and then eventually whichever side the stock moves, we will take the trade. Aramex. This is another company that is very strong technically and fundamentally. Previously we could see the support right here. This is the support for Aramex, and exactly at the same area we are seeing solid bullish engulfing pattern. This candle is very strong. Buyers are sitting right at the support and they have pushed the price to the upside. How do you enter the trade? Let it cross solid technical resistance of 4.00. Once it crosses, let me use the marker. Once it crosses, look for a bullish engulfing or a bullish candle again. Your next target is the previous swing high, that is around 4.26. This can be a very good trade. Your stop loss will be very tight, just below the previous candle, that is around 3.89 or 88. You can enter the trade and your profit is huge. Aman. This stock is not at all interesting. It's been in a range for the last 3 to 4 months. When a stock is in a range, just avoid it. Do not enter the trade till it breaks the resistance area. It did try to break the resistance last week. Clearly we can see it could not hold the gains. It came down dropping at the same support area. We can only enter this one once it crosses 1.00 and sustains the gain above 1.00. Then you can look for a new high. For now, stay away. Emaar Malls. It's looking very interesting. It's in an uptrend, but this stock is very risky. Around 3 to 4 weeks ago, they had made an announcement that soon they are planning to delist Emaar Malls from Dubai stock market. Anyways, if you're still interested to trade this, it's coming right at the support area, that is 2.00. We want to see a confirmation signal right at the support area if this support is holding. In case if this support is holding, we will see green candles. That means buyers are activated and they are holding the price. This would be your buy entry. Your stop loss will be just below the buy entry candle, and your previous swing high, that is around 2.11. This will be your target. Dubai Islamic Bank. Another good stock with strong fundamentals and technicals as well. Huge rally to the upside. Resistance hit at around 5.00. Now it's in a correction mode. No, we are still not in a downtrend. Till the time we are above this swing, that is around 4.75, we are still in an uptrend. Well, we can expect a reversal from here. This is a small support around 4.80. We can expect it to make a U-turn from here, or we can also expect it to come down till 3.75 and then make a U-turn. This is a strong support for DIB. Let's see how it performs at these levels. Air Arabia. This stock is also under pressure. Movement was to the upside, or it was in an uptrend. After hitting the resistance of 1.40, it's now in a correction mode. First support is around 1.32. We can see slight buying pressure over here, but no confirmation. Very thin volumes and no good buying pressure. This is the first support area. Second and strong support area is at 1.30. I'm watching this stock very closely. This stock is also affected by COVID, so let's see how it performs in coming days. Guys, I hope my analysis was helpful. You have learned something out of it. If you have, do not forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and please support the channel. Thanks for watching. Keep stocking.